Puddle, puddle, puddle.
So we're out driving in the Indy Classic Honda S2000 package, F20C AP1, 225 horsepower, 6-speed gearbox, limited slip differential, comp-promoted CXR wheels, Toyo AAAR tyres. This is a fire-breathing monster. Oh my days, that is proper fast. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. So we're running the DigiDash DD2 dashboard, and this car, hopefully you can see this on the camera, this has got the rather sexy indicators, horn and main beam flasher on the steering wheel. It's a removable quick release, it's our steering wheel package that we do. But this is an awesome drive. This is an absolute awesome drive. I cannot believe how comfortable this is. I'm pretty sure you could drive this all day. It's got a very minimalistic dashboard. It's got the DD2, tells me how fast you're going, gives me all your temperatures, gives me everything. And it's got a shift light on it as well, built into the dashboard, which is pretty damn cool. But the best thing about it is the roar and bark of this engine. This engine, oh wow. Such a slick gear change in this. So comfortable. Really, really nice gear change. Smooth, close ratio. The ratios are mega. What's really good about this is that if you like the noise of a bike engine, the bark in this car is just amazing. It's absolutely bonkers. So addictive. There's no induction noise. This time it's exhaust note, and it's right by my ear. That Honda engine is just mega. It really is. I know that it's got a lot of torque and a lot of power and that in it, but you're just getting in one of these cars. It's great. 6-speed gearbox. Very, very nice and tight. Very close to your hand. You know, I can change gears super quickly and super easily. I got accused of being a Wendy by somebody recently, which basically translates to somebody who doesn't like an aero screen and wind in your face. Well, I'm driving this now with our new Blade aero screen, and I have to say it is keeping a lot of the air right out of my face. The only reason why I've got this hat on and I look stupid with it back to front, I'm slightly worried about losing the hairline, to be fair. This has got a Ford differential in it, and I have got to say, this is so quiet, it is like a church mouse. I'm short shifting through the gears, you don't need to rev it up to oblivion. It's got so much torque in it. So where are we at in summary? The Indy with a Honda S2000 F20C engine is a great little package. Actually, considering that engine's supposed to be quite big and the gearbox is quite bulky, it doesn't feel like it's a heavy car. It really doesn't feel like it's heavy. Look at how close my hand is to the gear stick. I've got the gear stick and I'm literally about 6 inches away, if that. The gear lever is just bang there. It's absolutely mega. Everything's very minimalistic in here. It's just great. I can see what speed I'm doing. I can see what revs I've got. I can see the water temperature and oil temperature. That DigiDash is brilliant for that. And it's such an easy drive. I can't believe how easy it actually is. What's nice is that you can drive it in 6th gear, 30 miles an hour, and then just put your toe down. And it just comes on soft. I mean, that goes up to the speed limit rather rapidly, to be quite honest with you. But what a great package. Even though I'm open to the elements, I feel a bit safer with the cage and this Blade aero screen I mean, I can't feel the wind until about here. So if I'm sitting at the back, I'm about, oh, what's that, 2 inches? I'm about 2 inches underneath the main rail before you start getting the wind in your face. It's really comfortable. I actually forgot that this didn't have a windscreen on it. So for those people out there that call me a windy, I don't mind this blade aero actually, to be fair. The blade is, and it's a carbon blade. It's actually quite a good deflector. It works rather than not working. Really pleased with this car. Super brakes. Yeah, that's good. I like that a lot.